Recipe for success. Be strong and courageous, for you are the one who will lead these people to possess all the land I swore to their ancestors I would give them. Be strong and very courageous. Be careful to obey all the instructions Moses gave you. Do not deviate from them, turning either to the right or to the left. Then you will be successful in everything you do. Joshua 1, verse 7. Benjamin Zander, musical director of the Boston Philharmonic Orchestra, taught a music interpretation class. He observed the students' anxiety as they faced the evaluation of their performance. In order to put the students at ease and to open them up to their full potential, he announced on the first day of the class that everybody would get an A. This A was not an expectation to live up to, but a possibility to live into. The only requirement was for the students to write a letter within the first 2 weeks of the semester, but dated at the end of the class. The letter explained why they deserved the high grade. The book of Joshua is about new possibilities. Moses, who had dominated 40 years of Israel's history, belonged in the past. The exodus from Egypt and the wanderings in the wilderness, tragically marked by rebellion and stubbornness, had ended. A new generation, willing to obey God, was ready to enter the Promised Land, not as an expectation to live up to, but as a possibility to live into. Let's study the way God opened up a new chapter in Israel's life and how He can do the same in ours as well.